Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, two washer brands will be going head to head. We have the Giantex washing machine and the Comfee washing machine. In this day and age, washing machines are definitely a must in every home. These common household items save a lot of time and energy than the old-fashioned way of washing your clothes by hand. Despite their sole function, washing machines have numerous features that you have to consider before making your purchase. Of course, since it's your beloved clothes that need washing, we're sure that you won't settle for anything but the best. This is why we have two of our best washing machines go head-to-head. In today's brand wars, the Giantex washing machine will be squaring off with the Comfee washing machine. Do note that Giantex has garnered a 5-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, while Comfee has garnered a 4-badge rating. Will the underdog be able to turn the tables on its rival, or will the Giantex defend its throne as one of the best in the world of washing machines? Find out in today's brand wars. If you are interested in other washers that we have reviewed, do check out our washer review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all the links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these two washers will be going toe-to-toe with is their washing capability. There are two types of washing machines that are widely used today. The first type is the semi-automatic washing machine, which has two separate tubs to clean and dry the clothes. This, however, needs more manual labor. The second type is fully automatic washing machine that cleans and dries the clothes in only one tub. This saves a lot of time and energy. Giantex is a semi-automatic portable mini compact twin-tub washing machine that can both wash and dry clothes. On the flip side, its competitor Comfee is a fully automatic washing machine, which will do all the legwork for you. When it comes to convenience, a fully automatic washer is the ideal option, which is why Comfee simply owns this round. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their washing settings. There are many automatic washing machines that offer you a number of programs for different types of washes. There are some that can be customized, while others allow you to save your favorite settings. On the contrary, however, there are still many models that offer the old-fashioned knob control function. Giantex features 3 settings: a washer timer, a washer selector, and a spin timer that you can manually set to your preference. Comfee, however, offers 6 commonly used programs, including normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only. You can quickly start the machine any way you like and can also add extra rinse time by pressing the extra rinse button. On top of that, it also has 3 water temperatures to meet different laundry needs. Giantex does offer a more personalized wash setting, but Comfee's edge is in its technology, where the entire cleaning process starts and finishes with just the press of a button. This is why we have decided to give this round to Comfee. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their spinning capacity. The spin cycle is denoted by the revolutions per minute, so the faster the spin, the quicker your washing machine is able to dry your clothes at the end of a wash cycle. It can also reduce the amount of water left on thicker fabrics. We recommend getting the one with a higher spin speed so that it can handle a wider range of tasks more efficiently. Giantex has a maximum spin speed of 13,050 rotations per minute, which is powerful by any standard. Its rival, Comfee, on the other hand, can only spin 840 revolutions per minute at its fastest. It's pretty obvious who the winner is in this round. By more than 1.5 times the maximum spin speed, Giantex undoubtedly wins this round. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their load capacity. You'll definitely want a washing machine that can take larger loads. This will benefit you if you find yourself having a few extra guests in your home, and you also won't need to load a second batch to finish your laundry. Our two competitors are virtually identical in this category. Both Giantex and Comfee have a load capacity of 11 pounds. For that reason, the team has decided to end this round in a tie. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their size and weight. Size matters, especially if you have limited space in your home. In addition, if you're going to be moving the washing machine around, the lighter option would definitely be the best choice. Giantex measures 24.8 by 15 by 28.5 inches and weighs 28 pounds, proving to be a very compact option. On the other hand, Comfee has dimensions of 20.7 by 20.3 by 36.6 inches and weighs 79.4 pounds, which makes it a hefty unit indeed. Of course, you'll want to go for the more compact and lightweight unit relative to their load capacity. Since they both have the same load capacity of 11 pounds as mentioned earlier, Giantex proves to be the more space-saving and lightweight option, making them the clear winner in this round. The sixth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their drum material. Tubs can be made of 3 different materials: plastic, porcelain enamel, or stainless steel. Plastic tubs are more durable than enamel ones, which can chip and rust. Stainless steel tubs, on the other hand, are thought to be the best because they can handle faster spin speeds and are much more durable. Giantex is made with high-quality plastic that is built to last. However, its competitor Comfee boasts a stainless steel inner tub that is designed to last longer than its plastic counterpart. Clearly, the winner here is none other than Comfee due to its superior quality stainless steel tub build. The battle between the Giantex washing machine and the Comfee washing machine has come to a close. The scores are in, and it is time to see who comes out on top. Giantex has scored a total of just 3 points, just a single point short of its competitor Comfee. With the underdog Comfee being more technologically advanced paired to its competitor, paired with its superior quality build, we will be crowning the Comfee washing machine as the champion in today's brand wars. Don't count Giantex out just yet though. Despite their loss, they still prove to be lightweight, compact, and robust, which is one of their main selling points. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Giantex washing machine and the Comfee washing machine has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next washer face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We'll look forward to seeing you at thetrustedshoppingguide.com again soon.